Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and starting the activation flow. Make sure Photoshop is updated to the required version and that you're signed into Creative Cloud. Once done, check GPU drivers and permit network access so the model can download. Next, open Preferences and go straight to the Beta or Generative AI tab. You'll see an opt-in toggle. Toggle it on to start the installation process and wait for assets to finish downloading before moving on. You'll now configure how Generative AI behaves. In Preferences under Generative AI, pick the model size and balance performance versus quality. Smaller models are faster, larger ones produce finer details. Then decide whether to run processing locally or via Adobe Cloud. Local keeps files private, cloud uses more features. Also, set privacy controls, local cache, telemetry opt-out, and default output format. Once configured, restart Photoshop so plugins and GPU acceleration initialize correctly, and your settings take effect. You'll finish by using the tools and handling common problems. Open your file, make a clear selection or subject selection, then choose Generative Fill or Replace and type a concise prompt. You can iterate with variations. Use the Mask Refine and History brush to blend results smoothly. If outputs stall or errors appear, try resetting Photoshop preferences, updating GPU drivers, switching cloud versus local processing, or signing out and back into Creative Cloud. One of these usually resolves activation or runtime issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.